Namaskara, I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today, I want to discuss about the liquid-based decomposer, whatever the questions you have raised, some doubts you have created by some people, and people have, some my farmers have asked me whether this liquid-based decomposer can be multiplied years to years as in the case of gel we are doing it. So I can assure you one thing, this liquid waste decomposer that you can see this one, it is full of bacteria, new bacteria which was not present earlier, that I have already told 2 years back in my DD channel. It contains especially carbon fixing bacteria, photosynthesis bacteria, and nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, whatever bacteria is there, everything is there. It is uncounted. So many bacteria. And all bacteria are perfect as per the total, whatever the environment, whatever the soil, whatever the climate, it will work everywhere. The difference is this liquid has minimum 5 years expiry. It is more. In the case of earlier, it was only 3 years. So this can be kept not in fridge. You can keep outside in winter, in the low temperature. You can keep high temperature outside, inside, anywhere you can keep it. It will not die. It will remain as such, and you can use up to 5 years any time. One bottle is enough for your life long. So it is all specialties are same. Only some new bacteria has been put inside, which are very useful. It is first time in the world. You will not find the reference anywhere. So this is the specialty, and this, when you are multiplying this liquid waste decomposer in the open field, that is a technique. One thing I must say, we all are very pleased with the government of India, particularly that time Sri Radha Mohan Singh, who was our ex-agriculture minister, who has allowed this waste decomposer mother culture for the farmers. Earlier we used to multiply, we sell it to the companies, 20 rupees, 40 rupees, one bottle. Small, that was not in bottle, that was in test tube, and that is only 10 gram. But the same mother culture is multiplied by the other institutes, other bodies, government bodies or private bodies. It costs minimum 10 gram is 500 rupees minimum. It is up to 3,000 rupees. Either it is nitrogen fixing bacteria, phosphorus, potassium, bacillomyces, epilomyces, anything, biofilm, any bacteria you can take. Single bacteria costs you minimum 500 rupees. And you cannot multiply it in the open field because there is no technology. Here, when the government has allowed, in December 2014, Honorable my Agriculture Minister, we all farmers must pay gratitude to him because he is the only key person who has allowed this mother culture to the farmers. Earlier we are giving to the only companies. Companies are multiplying and selling it 100 rupees, 200 rupees to you. And that quality also, it is always questionable. So they are also taking the mother culture, then multiplying in bulk and supplying to you. You are also getting this mother culture and multiplying in the bulk. So techniques is here ki there is no technology earlier. If you take the mother culture, you needs pura setup, full setup, biofertilizer, biocontrol, total setup. Depends upon the quantity how you are going to multiply. It is crores of rupees people are expending it for the multiplication. But this is the beauty, this is the work we have done for the farmers to multiply in open field. It is lot of reference in our Veds. Jaggery is very useful. Why? We are also farmers, even doctors are suggesting to take the jaggery for digestion purpose. This bacteria multiply very fast in our jaggery. In the industry, we are using jaggery for multiplication. We are also using mannitol, that is for multiplication. Carbon source actually we are taking it, and that is costing very high. So this is a simple technique. Here you are, when you are taking jaggery, it multiply, bacteria multiply automatically. But this contains liquid formulation, or our earlier formulation contains some special type of bacteria which does not allow the pathogens, which does not allow the any unwanted bacteria. That is the beauty of this mother culture. So whatever the mother culture people are selling, you cannot multiply, because there is one specific bacteria, there is no other thing inside, and which cannot support you to multiplication. It is always dangerous. You get a multiplication of contamination. Some people say it is a jaggery is working. So when jaggery is working, why you are not giving technology? Give the technology to farmers. Let the farmers multiply. You also give the mother culture. Why you are giving the in other form? Because you have no technology. All wrong. And even I assure this liquid, what we are claiming it, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, everything inside, carbon bacteria, you cannot test it. It is lot of bacteria. Under microscope, you are able to see the visibly, but it is very hard to multiply, and you cannot isolate it. One or two you can do, but it's very difficult. You can recognize the bacteria, you can get someone. Some are available in the machines and books, but some are not. There is no reference, because it has been taken from the baking system, and it is our cow, desi cow, nilgai cow, which contains a special type of bacteria. If you have, you can isolate and test it. And that is a magical change that you are seeing in the market, seeing in the farmer's field. We are getting in place of one seed is same, plant is same. Now we are getting in place of one cabbage or cauliflower or broccoli, we are getting 4, 5, 6, up to 7 is reported. Now it has report has come. It is crossed the 10 numbers of your cauliflower in one plant. After harvesting, one you have harvested, again it has sprouted. And some it is started now new things. It is from one root, one the plant, again it is branched from there, and it is 2 stems has come up, and everywhere flower is started. So this is the all magical change with our cow jivanu, cow bacteria. If you have a capacity, you can recognize it, isolate it. But this thing is never happened in the past. It is a natural transformation which is increasing yield double and triple. So where you get, if you have a curiosity, go in the farmer's field. I will, a lot of numbers I have put in the video. Visit there and just find out how the transformation of seed has taken place. How a plant is giving in place of 1 fruit, 2 fruit, 5 fruit, 4 fruit. And everywhere it is now coming the reports, people are getting high yield. Earlier they are getting 200 gram, 300 gram. Now they are getting half kg or 600 gram. And it is all without chemical. It is only natural thing, our Vedic things, what people are doing, and homemade things, they are getting the results. So that is the technology, that is the uniqueness of this product, and unique things from our God gifted of cow urine and cow dung that contains such type of bacteria. And plants, of course, plants what has been given in reference in our Vedas. So that all plants are very useful. Earlier we used to take a juice. Now we are able to identify the bacteria, and that we are multiplying it. So it is now numerous bacteria, and it can be multiplied easily either in sun. You can keep the drum in sun. You can keep in the inside room, anywhere you can keep it. But you are able to multiply easily. There is no doubt, and years to years you can keep it. So one bottle is enough for the lifelong. Of course, when you are multiplying, you can multiply one place and see the multiplication, people how you are doing it, irrespective of color, white color, creamy color, or any other color. Doesn't make difference. But it never come red color. It never come your black color. Black color is when you are multiplying the cement tank, it is black. So that's why we are suggesting always multiply in the plastic tank. Or better to make a pit and put the tarpaulin plastic inside and multiply. And whether it is rainy season or hot season, doesn't matter. Bacteria will remains there. Again you put the jaggery, it will multiply. So it is a simple way, correct way, multiplication, and without any hesitation, you just use it and enjoy the results, enjoy the cultivation, enjoy the kheti, whatever you are doing in tough way, now it is easy. And everything you can make in homemade and do it. Likewise, kitchen garden, roof gardening, anywhere, hydroponic, whatever you want to do it with the this liquid based decomposer and see the magical results. Results are assured. There is no doubt that results you will not get, because in the whole house when you are doing, your target is to get the natural fruit, good aroma, without chemicals, that you are getting with the help of this liquid based decomposer. And earlier whatever gel form, that has been stopped because nobody is able to multiply, because they don't have any mother culture. From last 3 years has been stopped. NCF is not supporting, not giving the name, because they have in some they have started discontinuing. So this liquid form is only the future, and it is the best, better version, and you will get the promised culture, and shelf life is high. I believe I am able to remove your doubts, and without hesitation you can use it. So thank you very much.